Hello friends, on this video I will show you how to set gesture navigation on Realme mobile phone. First of all, you have to go on setting. You can find your setting, then you have to scroll down, then you can find your system. Just click your system, then you can find your gesture. Just click on gesture, then you can find your system navigation, then you can see your gesture navigation. You can see back button, you can find here. Then if you want to set 3 button navigation also, you can see here back button, or you can see you can set like this. Then if you want to set here also, you can like this. Then if you like the video, please like the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.